Hi guys, welcome to my DIY tutorial. Today we have a very quick, simple and easy way of creating a 3-piece bra cup for your corset. I've already put a dart on my bra cup. You can leave yours without the darts. You're going to need your masking tape and your pair of scissors. And to do this, we're just going to layer the masking tape onto the bra cup just the way I am doing. You can start horizontally or vertically. I have started mine vertically. And what you're going to do is make sure the masking tape overlaps each other, because you don't want it giving you problems at the end when you're trying to remove the mold, okay? So you're just going to do it this way, end to end, all the way around. Make sure you cover the whole bra cup. And then run your masking tape across as well, just to make it strong and sturdy. And once you're done, you're going to have something looking like this. Trim off the excess tape at the edges, okay? And just to make it neat. And once you are done, you can now decide at this point either to make it into two, okay? It's up to you, but for this tutorial, we're making the 3-piece one. So I'm going to measure my top strip, which is going to be at 1.5. You can decide to go as far as 2 inches at the most, but 1.5 I think is okay. So we're just going to mark that end to end, just the way I am doing. And once we get the measurement like that, we're going to connect the dots like so. Again, end to end, so that we can have the first piece, which is nearly done. You can see, guys, this is super easy, very, very easy. You can do it. All my beginners, you got this, you can do this. So connect end to end. Now, if you don't have a dart like mine, you can just fold the bra cup into 2, just so that you can get the midpoint, and then divide it into half. You see, make a notch and just follow the line like that and divide into half, so that you can now have the left and the right side of the 3-piece. So guys, look at this. We're nearly done. It's super easy. Look at that. Amazing. Looking all beautiful. So we're now going to gently lift the masking tape, because now this has now formed a mold. So we have used the masking tape to form a mold, the shape of the bra cup. So take your time. This is very easy. Lift the masking tape off the bra cup, just like I'm doing, all the way around. Do not rush. This is where you need to exercise patience. And so once you're done, you're going to have something looking like this. Amazing. Look at that. Very quick and easy. And take your scissors and, of course, cut it out into the 3 pieces, like I'm doing. If you are watching this far, please like, subscribe, leave your comments. I would love to know what you think about this method. And of course, I would like to read from you. So let's get back into it. So just cut it like that. And also, very, very important, make sure you number and label the pieces. Because if you don't, trust me, this is so confusing. So label 1, 2, 3, like I've done, or any other method you prefer, top and bottom, to know what goes where. And most important, you need to put some notches or some arrows to know where to join once you put it on fabric and you take it to your sewing machine. This step is very important. Once you do that, guys, your 3-piece bra cup is ready. Please let me know how you get along. Leave your comments below and let's see how you go with yours. Until next time, guys, I'll come back with another quick and easy tutorial and DIY. Stay blessed. Bye.